Dynamic source manufacturing is much more competitive after reinventing this business model.
When it comes to enhancing productivity, innovation is a critical driver. However, there is a misconception innovation is only about technology and commercialization. In actuality, more than 80% of productivity innovation is non-technical and can be grouped into 5 key areas, one of which is reinventing your business models. To ensure continued success for your company, you have to be open and flexible to change. This includes looking at creating new and innovative ways to do business with your customers.
Companies should strongly consider changing the business model based on what their customer needs are.
Value to our customers, of course, is very important to us.
Reinventing your company's business model to provide greater value is a key area of innovation. This can be achieved in a variety of ways. It can be done by innovating all the way through your supply chain, by increasing collaboration, taking advantage of outsourcing or networks to better focus on your core competencies or to deal with increased labor demands, or using resources in a new way. One company who has taken this innovation and made it work successfully for them is Dynamic Source Manufacturing.
Dynamic source manufacturing is an electronics manufacturing services provider. We test, produce, and package goods on behalf of our customers who design and market the material.
Dynamic Source Manufacturing understands their customer needs, challenges, and goals. They know that in order to be competitive, you sometimes need to change the way you do business.
We had a very traditional relationship with this customer. It was a supplier-buyer relationship under a traditional order replenishment cycle whereby they would place a purchase order, we would manufacture, we would ship, and that would close the deal.
Their customer, Novotel, needed to change the way they manufactured products to keep up with demand. Dynamic Source Manufacturing worked on changing their business model to incorporate a more collaborative supply chain to provide better benefit to both companies.
The order replenishment cycle is able to handle a very high mix of products with a very short lead time. What we do is operate a pull system. It adds value throughout the entire supply chain, shortens the lead time, it allows us to very quickly react to their demands. We can provide responsive service, flexibility, at an optimal costing. It's really been an extreme success for both companies.
A key component of restructuring your business model can be expanding your supply chain through outsourcing. Some people think this isn't a great thing, but if done in a collaborative way, it can actually be a huge benefit to both organizations.
Outsourcing is not a negative thing. As long as you're working with a company that is particular, they're timely, they're honest, and you can communicate with them.
Hebert Cabinets, based out of Bow Island since 2004, builds quality custom cabinets for homes and commercial offices. Customers visit their showroom to work on designing their ultimate cabinetry. The company was manufacturing everything in-house, but due to a shortage of skilled workers, decided to reinvent their business model. This was accomplished by outsourcing a product to the local Shamrock Hutterite colony.
We meet the client, we design for them everything that's on our computer. Basically, we give to Shamrock Colony. They put it in their computers, and from there, they use their CNC router and computerized equipment to mill our product. They also edge band our product for us using all the materials that we provided.
The benefits for Hebert cabinets would be the speed that the CNC can cut versus a table saw and the accuracy without error. The parts, once they're input correctly, they're cut correctly. You can probably cut out 4 kitchens on the CNC, while you can only do 1 on a table saw. So that's been our goal, to get the accuracy in line so the cabinets fit.
Revising your business model not only increases productivity, it can also help you meet the challenges facing the Alberta economy. By looking at new ways to reinvent your business model through a variety of channels, including supply chain collaboration and outsourcing, companies will become more efficient and streamlined and see positive results on their operations from top to bottom.
We have doubled our sales every year. And one of the reasons that we've been able to do this is from outsourcing product.
For more information on how to improve your company's productivity, visit our website